Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color cute fruits. In this video, I will show you how to draw the most delicious fruits one by one. Let's start drawing. At the beginning, I'm going to draw an apple. I start with the shape, then I draw its stem and its leaf. Finally, let's draw a cute face for our apple. I draw its eyes. Its wide open smiling mouth. And its cheeks. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color our apple, I use red first. Then I color its stem with brown. For the leaf, I use green. I use 2 different shades of red for its mouth. And pink for its cheeks. Now let's draw a watermelon. I draw a half circle shape like this. And 2 more inside. This is going to be the shell. Now I'm going to draw a cute face. I draw 2 cute eyes. And a smiling mouth. Finally, I draw the seeds of the watermelon everywhere. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the peel of this fruit with 2 different shades of green. Then I color the rest with this red marker. I use pink for its mouth. Excellent! Let's continue with an orange. I draw its stem at first. Then draw a circular shape. And its leaf. Now we are going to draw a face. I draw 2 eyes that are closed and a smiling mouth with the tongue out. Finally, I draw his cheeks. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the orange with this marker. Then I use brown for its stem. And this green marker for the leaf. I color the tongue and cheeks with light red. The next fruit is going to be a pineapple. I draw a kind of oval shape like this. Then I draw its leafy stem. Now let's draw the eyes. His smiling, wide-open mouth. And his cheeks. Finally, I draw crossed lines like this. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color this part with yellow. Then I add brown lines like this. And a little bit of green. Then I color the leafy stem with green. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. Then I color the cheeks with pink. I love it! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.